live in an abandoned village in Cyprus called Sterikovu. Our home is called Olive Farm Retreat, Cyprus. Did you know we do Airbnb here and also Workaway, where you get free accommodation in return for helping on our land? When you come to stay here, if you like, we can take you round the area and show you the sights and the history, or you just chill out and do your own thing. You are seeing all pictures of views from our land. Do send me an email if you're interested in our Airbnb, or click on the link below if interested in becoming a Workaway. And if you're very lucky, when you come to stay here, you will see some of our amazing sunsets too. And if you just want to chill back and relax, don't worry, the rural goats come right up to our land, so you will see them as well. But there's plenty of walking to be done, and you will still see goats wandering round as you walk. If you like, I can direct you to our local caves and hideouts and take you, if you want, to discover where our history lies in our abandoned village, and you can see many of the old ruined houses there, and I can explain the history to you as to why we are now an abandoned rural village that is so rural and remote that it is not on barely any maps anymore. Including me and my husband Mike, we are 2 of the 6 that live in the Cypriot houses. We help out at our local stables, which is a short rural walk away or a short drive. If you stay with us, we will take you there and introduce you, where you can have extra cost of riding lessons, or indeed a hack, where you can go with the owner hacking through the rural countryside. As you would have seen in my last video of the stables where we help at, one horse had a baby foal. Now a second horse has also had a baby foal, which I'm including in this footage. So if you're interested in riding at the stables, or just going and chilling out there and helping with the horses, you may be able to do this as well. So contact us and we'll put you in communication with the owner, where you can go on just one hack, or indeed book lessons while you stay with us at our Airbnb. We have different accommodation of Airbnb, all rural retreat, relaxation and chill out holidays, and they are all very affordable in a very good price range, but with completely different options. Staying with us, as I say, you can just chill out and do your own thing, but if you want to, I also offer different hobby holidays. Anything from crafts right through to learning how to dance. So again, check out either emailing me or look at my videos where I show you all the different holidays you could have staying with us. And after you've had your hack or your riding lessons, these are the animals you may encounter at the stables. Which animals will you encounter when you visit? So here was the first foal that was born at the stables, a little pony. And this was the one filmed at that point that was about to give birth any day. And so now here's the footage of this horse after it had given birth, which Mike was the lucky person to discover after this horse had given birth. So he was the first one to capture it on film.
Thursday the 2nd of June, another new arrival at the stables. And as you can see, born next door to the first arrival that came at the weekend. As you can see, there's one, and there's the first one with its mama. Becoming a proper little nursery here.